Hi, I'm Courtney and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we'll be making cauliflower fritters with a golden yogurt dipping sauce. Cauliflower in our golden turmeric tahini is a winning combination and for sure an HK favorite. We're using cauliflower rice to make this really crispy golden brown fritter, and we'll also be making our golden yogurt dipping sauce using a little bit of mint, some bright lemon, and of course tangy yogurt to bring it all together. If this recipe sounds like one you'd be interested in making, be sure to subscribe to see all of our future recipe videos. All right, let's get started. So for today's fritter recipe, you'll just need a skillet to cook your fritters in. We're just gonna fill that up with a little bit of olive oil or neutral oil for frying. So here we have the rest of our ingredients. We've got our cauliflower rice, we have flour, baking powder, salt, parsley, and of course our golden turmeric tahini. All of this will be coming together with a little bit of water to make the batter for our fritters. And we'll also be making a really beautiful golden yogurt sauce that'll have a little bit of mint in it. So it'll be a little cooling, a little tangy, a little herby. And I'm really excited about having that with our fritters. So we've already got our cauliflower riced here in this bowl. And if you're going to be starting from whole florets of cauliflower, highly recommend giving that a blitz in your food processor. But you want to leave a few larger chunks of your cauliflower to keep that really great texture. And you want to be able to bite into those soft little nuggets of your cauliflower rice. Otherwise though, you can make it pretty fine. Now we'll be adding in our flour and combining. We'll also add in our salt and our baking powder. Right now the texture is pretty crumbly, so we'll add in our water. And you may find that you need more once you've mixed it all together. We'll crack in our eggs. And we'll also squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. A really great hack whenever you're juicing lemon and you don't want to end up with all of those seeds, but you don't feel like pulling out another tool like a lemon juicer, is that you'll just hold it, cut side up, and you'll squeeze and all of those seeds will stay inside of your lemon. Alternatively, if you don't mind, and especially if you don't have any cuts on your hands, you can always squeeze your lemon into your fingers like this and your hands will catch all of the seeds. We'll give this all a mix and then we will add in our turmeric tahini. The color on these yolks is like really stunning. That was so yellow. Lastly, we'll mince up a little bit of parsley and we'll add that to our fritter batter. All right, so our fritter batter is ready and I've got my pan heating up behind me with a little bit of neutral oil in it. You can use a canola oil or a vegetable oil, either of the one will do. And that is because we're going to be frying at a fairly high temperature. And neutral oils like canola oil or vegetable oil have a smoke point from anywhere between 400 and 450 degrees. So while we wait on our pan to get hot, we'll go ahead and make our yogurt dipping sauce. So we've got our Greek yogurt here in this bowl and we're going to add in about a quarter pouch of our tahini. We'll also throw in a little pinch of salt, a squeeze of our lemon, and all this beautiful mint. We'll give this a mix. Now let's move on over to the stove. So we're using a large spoon to create our fritters. And we're just dropping our batter right into that hot oil. And for this recipe, you will end up working in batches. I'm giving little mama a little look-see. Oh, she's beautiful. Okay. All right, so this has been cooking for about 2 minutes on the first side. You'll see that we're starting to get some bubbles peeking up through the edges. And seeing those bubbles is a great indicator that it's time for you to flip your fritter. It's important in the beginning to not overcrowd your pan, but once these are pretty much done and getting ready to come out of the oil, you can add a few more into your pan. And you'll pull your fritters out and just lay them on a plate that's lined with paper towels. All right, so we have fried up all of our fritters, and as you can see, they've got these gorgeous sort of lacy golden brown edges. They're a little tender in the center, which is really great. So now we'll plate with our golden yogurt dipping sauce. All right, so there you have it, our beautiful cauliflower fritters with our golden tahini yogurt dipping sauce. This recipe is no muss, no fuss, and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe to see all of our future recipe videos. For the full recipe and our textable shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, cook happy.